Hello, Udwars. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to send mail notification to the salesperson and customer. You can see here our module Devsell on Create Notification. First install this module, so click on this Activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Settings, go to Sales and see here this Send or stop notification email when sell quotation is created. So I want to send and selected template is sell quotation on create notification. Let's save. Now go to sales, create new quotation, add customer like a deco edit, add product like a customizable desk and save. So see here send 2 times mail. One is salesperson and another for is customer and display with details. Thank you.